game's gonna fucking scare me, I just know it. I don't do well with jump scares. You showed that you can go that far out with your text, why not just... Fuck. Are you gonna follow me this whole time? Dude, I got shit I gotta do, man. Hey, come on in. Come on in. What the fuck? Alright, fine. If I die to this guy, I'm, like, the worst. Gone. Like, my respect for this game. Let me see. Okay, so we got a bottle of vodka. Can I throw the bottle of vodka? 50 bucks a bottle?
This is what, about 50 bucks a bottle? Is that right?
What does this say? Why 237 me? I can't see shit. I really can't fucking see anything. Oh, now I can see. I can see when they hit me. That's when I can see. Holy shit. Hey, babe.
Stop it.
She just finally got sick of just getting smacked in the face. Ah, I saw that. I saw that. Oh! Get right up in its face. Look at that ass. Clap those cheeks. I'm gonna get ah! Ew, what is that creature? Oh god, that's not what I was expecting. Oh ho ho! Oh! I heard that. Talking about work from Diablo 2. You can't run references like that by me, unchecked and unchallenged. What is going on here?
Why are we still here?
Chapter 5. Chaos. Empty bottle. You like my old woman singing voice? Bitch! Here, come back over here. Ah! Get fucked. Caring too much. When am I not caring too much? Am I right, boys? Fuck is this shit? I'm confused. There's a... It's not Doom, there's a fucking jump. What the fuck am I doing? Huh? That was stupid.